Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Astra. Astra is a fantastic, lightweight theme designed for speed and flexibility. It empowers you to create stunning websites without needing any coding knowledge. We will explore its core functionalities, from initial setup to advanced customization options. Get ready to transform your WordPress experience and build a beautiful, high-performing site with ease. It's perfect for beginners and experienced developers alike. Astra truly shines with its powerful features. It works perfectly with your favorite page builders, giving you complete design freedom. Imagine launching your site quickly using one of its hundreds of professionally designed starter templates. You can also customize every aspect of your site's layout, from the header to the footer, ensuring your brand identity is perfectly reflected. These features make building a unique website straightforward and enjoyable. Personalizing your website with Astra is incredibly intuitive. You'll primarily use the native WordPress customizer, allowing you to see your design changes instantly. Easily adjust your site's colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand's aesthetic. Whether you need a unique blog layout or specific archive page designs, Astra provides robust options. This level of control ensures your website looks exactly how you envision it, without any complex steps. One of Astra's biggest strengths is its incredible performance. It boasts a tiny file size, often less than 50 kilobytes, which means your website loads lightning fast. This speed is crucial for a great user experience and significantly boosts your search engine rankings. Plus, you're never alone. Astra offers dedicated support and has a vibrant community of over 1 million users ready to help. It's a smart choice for any website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.